Hi! Good afternoon, everyone. Ayan, ano muna tayo? Update muna tayo. Vlogging. So, nandito ako ngayon sa Kildonan Park. So, Kildonan Park daw ito. Ayan, so parang gusto kong umupo dito. And, ayan, so supposed to be ngayon yung flight ko kanina. Bale, 3:30. Nasa airport na ako, pabalik na ako ng Cambodia. Supposed to be papunta na siguro ako ng Korea. Pero due to unexpected situation, may strike daw ang airline. So finally na-cancel yung flight ko. Then ayun, dahil ang nag-book sa akin ay agent, so kailangan na talagang kinausap ko siya, and it takes time para makausap ko siya kasi nasa Cambodia siya, and yung time difference doon dito madaling araw, so doon hapon naman, pero hindi ko siya reach out that time. Pero yun, tinulungan ako ng mga kasister ko, kaya nakausap ko siya finally. And yun, after nung paghahanap nila ng flight, after nung pagtatanong sa airline, finally kailangan din i-rebook. So kaya ayan, nandito pa rin ako dito sa Winnipeg, Manitoba. So ngayon is long weekend, kaya madaming nagpi-picnic. Kaya nandito kami sa kabilang side ng picnic, ayan. At ang ganda ng kapaligiran kasi nga summer. So mainit na mainit, although naka-jacket pa rin ako kasi malamig yung breeze niya. Malamig. So ayan, samahan niyo ako at tayo maglakad-lakad. At parang blessing in disguise din kasi yung pagkaka-cancel ng flight ko, kasi may ubo at may sipon ako konti. So bago pa lang siya nagsisimula, so imagine yung parang makati-kati yung lalamunan ko, tapos yung sipon ako ng sipon. So sabi ko parang blessing in disguise din, nakatulog ako kanina, then nakapahinga, tapos mga bukas or maya-maya update ako nung agent ko. So ayan, masarap umupo kapag maaraw pero malamig yung breeze. So ayan, galing kasi ako sa ayan, ayan, switch ko yung camera para makita niyo yung, so ayan Kildonan Park. Ito, ayan, maganda siya kasi ayan meron siyang washroom. So kung kailangan mo mag-washroom, tapos yun lalaro yung mga bata. Ang lawak-lawak talaga ng Canada. Madami talaga silang lupa. Tapos pero imagine mo pag winter to, pag winter, as in punong-puno to ng yelo. So puti lang yung makikita mo. Syempre, yung mga puno na nakaka-survive, green pa din naman. Tapos kasi meron naman na nakaka-survive, pero I guess yung iba nalalagas talaga sila yung mga puno. Ayan kaya parang family day. Doon kami sa kabilang side, at sana hindi ako naman naligaw. Hindi naman siguro. So yan, I believe dito sa side na to ay meron silang parang nagbebenta ba sila ng food dito, or I don't know, para lang kasi ayan, meron silang mga stalls. Ayan it seems na ayan. So first time ko ito na mag-park ng as in parang kasi lagi akong nasa trabaho busy-busyhan, as in busy talaga pag nandito ka sa Canada, kasi syempre unless tour talaga yung mo. So yan, meron pa silang tent, ganyan, at nakaka-amaze yung effort na pinuput up nila sa ganitong mga picnic. Ayan, ang daming sasakyan, park. Tapos ayan, nag-aano sila, meron sila dito ng camping kapag ganito na summer. Pero hindi ako nakasama sa camping kasi nga, yun, busy nga ako all through my stay here. Ayan! Parang napaka-interesting ng niluluto niya. Teka nga, tingnan ko nga. Sana hindi ako pagbawalan na makita yung niluluto niya. Parang rice something. And parang siguro ibebenta nila ito. Sana kaya yung sa amin. Basta dito lang yun. I believe. Wow! It looks good! Wow! No.
You want taste time?
Huh?
You want taste some?
Oh, no, thank
Okay.
you. This is from which country?
From Ghana.
Ghana. Oh, so that's a special rice meal for Ghana. That's interesting. Wow, it looks
From
delicious.
Philippines, Manila.
Yeah, I'm not from Manila, but yeah, I'm from the Philippines. Yeah. Looks delicious. Are you going to sell that as well?
No, we will eat.
Oh yeah? So it's a community. I just thought you're going to sell that. Okay. How you call this again?
Jollof rice. Google it. Jollof rice.
Jollof rice.
Jollof.
Ah,
And then
okay.
rice.
Rice.
You can see it's on social
Sure.
media. Everybody's talking about it.
Sure. Because each country have the specialty when it comes to rice.
Like you guys have pancit.
Yeah, we have
My friends
pancit,
give it
of
to me when I'm
course.
at work.
We have different variety of pancit,
My friends give
actually.
it to me a lot. I see
Yeah.
them at my workplace.
Like, oh yeah? Yeah, thank you. Wow.
Try it and see.
Delicious.
How do you feel?
Nice.
You want it
It
back?
has a vegetable also, right? Like the, this is like a
Yeah,
bell
this is-
pepper.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then shallots.
Shallots.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
And then tuna fish.
Wow. Wow, this can feed the community.
This will
Good.
finish in less than an hour. Everything done.
Oh
A
yeah?
lot of people got
But it's already done for me.
Do you want it back?
I mean, I won't refuse, of course. Thank you so much. Yeah. Ayan, wow. It's nice to see this community. Ayan, oh, nag-ano pa sila. Ayan, so magkakaroon pa tayo. Golo rice. Jollof rice. Sorry. Ayan. Ayan, so ipagpapak nila ako ng food. And masarap siya. Kasi meron siyang bell pepper.
Castro, Ghana na zo.
Yan. So from Ghana. Ghana is part of Africa, is it?
West Africa.
West Africa. Nice. Delicious.
So Africa, a lot of people don't understand. Africa is a continent made up of different countries. Made up of 53 countries.
Oh yeah. Wow, it's a pleasure.
What's your name?
My name is Lynn.
Lee.
L-Y-N. How about you?
Mariam.
Mariam. Nice to meet you. How about you, brother? Ibrahim. Oh, I have a classmate
He's the
before.
chef.
Oh yeah. That's why he's the head of the.
Yeah.
Wow, that's a lot already.
Take it.
Oh my, thank you so much. Ay,
Morphine, diba?
Mariam. Ayan. Wow, it's such a blessing. Thank you so much because I have my friends over
Yeah,
there.
they will
So
taste it and see.
and it's good because I don't have something to share. So now I have something to share. Yeah, isn't it?
No problem.
Isn't it a blessing, really?
Yeah.
Wow, thank you so much. So, ayan. Jolo's rice.
Yeah,
Did I say it correctly? Finally?
Because maybe
I wasn't
when you
so
want to
good.
Google it and then
Yeah, sure. And I can try this. I think you have these special spices from your country?
no, we bought
Not
it
really?
here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's nice.
The network is
Just the spelling. So
Yeah.
later I will
this is
Google
the
it.
spelling, Jollof.
Jollof, Jollof. Okay, thank you, brother. And thank you for this. So, guys, we'll try it. It's a lot. It's like a quarter of a kilo already. Thank you so much. Ayan, guys. God bless everyone.